Hello my foodies, it's CiCi here. I just want to wish everyone a very happy Chinese New Year. I've been making a series of must-eat Chinese New Year dishes. In the last episode, I shared with you how to make this delicious savory Nian Gao. It was so good. And today, I want to show you how we can make sweet Nian Gao. Let's get started. To make the syrup, in a pot over high heat, bring the water to a boil. And turn to low heat. Add in the cane sugar. Looks really amazing right now. Wow, so good. There's a crispy crust on the outside, and it's chewy and soft and kind of sticky all at the same time. Really nice. I have a question for everyone actually. Between the savory Nian Gao rice cake or the sweet Nian Gao, which one do you like it better? So for me, it is really hard to choose. So let me know your opinion on this. I love both of them actually. So thank you so much for watching. That's it for today. Remember to subscribe, thumbs up. I will see everyone again next Friday, and happy Chinese New Year. Bye bye.